What's going on, Shooters family? I'm back with another video. Today, I got something in the mail. Ordered something else for the truck. Got a long box. Came from APS. Well, you see it's APS. So I'm gonna go ahead and bust it down. Show y'all what we're working with. Y'all ain't gonna expect this one right here. This was long awaited. So without further ado, so I can't tell what it is. You can kind of see what it is though. There you go, right there. Yes, sir. Flip it one time. Grill. So it says it's easy installment, custom installation. We're gonna see about that. Cause whole ass grill, right? Hope y'all having a good day. Staying prayed up, staying out the way. So this is how you put on the back. It comes with brackets. Smart. If you're new to the channel, make sure subscribe, like the video, comment, let me know what you're thinking when you're watching the video, you know what I'm saying? If you want to stay up to date whenever I drop something, you know what I'm saying? With a car or the truck, either way, make sure you hit that post notification bell and set it to all so you can stay up to date. I'm finna bust it down. Yes, sir. This shit's so quality. Yes, sir. Wow. And you know it's the well, y'all know what the truck look like, so it's two of them. One for the top, one for the bottom. And then on the back side, you can see where like you insert the screws and the brackets that I showed you earlier for the installation. Alright, finna goddamn smoke some, eat some, then we're gonna get it on there. So y'all stay locked in and just keep watching. Alright, so this is how we're going to put it on. As you see, it came like this at the bottom. You have the holes right here for the screws, as you can see. And then from there, just put that on to hold it, the bars, the black bars on the back end, and get a good grip, and then just tighten it down like that. So it's pretty simple application. So we're gonna go ahead and get this put on there real quick. All right, give y'all a little sneak peek. That's all you need right there. You don't need to put it off. You need the access. You feel me? The grill stops right here. So you still can have all of this on. You feel me? You ain't got to pull it all the way off. So I'm finna vice grip the screws down on the grill. Check y'all back in when I'm putting it back on. Real rockstar shit, bitch. I think I broke these hoes, bro. I'll try to grab it at the bottom. Oop, I didn't mean to do that. Try to grab it at the bottom so you don't fuck up the grooves. You know what I'm saying? Where you need them at least. Yeah, this shit easy, but it's tedious, man. And then we got something else coming in the mail. Should be here Wednesday for the truck. Something else for the front end. And then we pretty much gonna be done with the truck. Besides, I'm not really worried about the radio and shit like that. I got the box for all of that. This is my work truck. So really we just gotta, after this and what's next that I show y'all, it's just gonna be, I'm gonna tell y'all this, it's pretty evident what I need to do.
I knew that I was chosen by it. Chris, are you turned up? That's the Spurs, dumb bitch. I say I knew that I was chosen, falling on them like the roses. See you on the face, you can't show it like a lid. My heart froze over. All that cabbage, you a poser. Had me thinking you a soldier. Hold up, I don't think they really understand what the fuck I'm saying.
So with this stuff that I got, you know, just to make it, well, with this obviously, just make it a little different, you know, stand out from the rest. That's what I like to do. Stand up from the rest, be different. Gotta do that. We might all have the same type of truck, but trust me, you know what I'm saying, looking like this one. So I got the brackets right here in my pocket. So what now I'm gonna do is put it in there, put the bracket on there like that, come back in this pocket, get me a washer like this, and get me a nut from your bitch. Ooh. Just like that, that's how she gonna disappear. You did. I look like that nigga from the Proud Family. How you never see that nigga head? That's exactly what I look like right now. All right, let's get to it. Shit, while I'm here, let me give y'all a little goddamn, we gonna call this the rundown. It's becoming more evident to me, like, people's intentions be like so minuscule, like, not even that, but it be like, what's your purpose, bro? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you're gonna do anything, do it with some purpose, bro. Anything that you involve yourself in, because when they come back around and they say who did it, they're gonna be pointing fingers at you. You know what I'm saying? So whatever it is that you do, whether it be a person or a thing or whatever, don't put like half-ass energy or bad energy into it, because at the end of the day, it's gonna come back and bite you in the ass. You feel me? Shit, like, I ain't even gonna speak on it, but that's real shit. Music.
I knew that I was chosen by it. Chris, are you turned up? I was chosen, falling on them like the roses. See you on the face, you can't show it. Like a lid, my heart froze over. All that cabbage, you a poser. Had me thinking you a soldier. Hold up, I don't think they really understand what the fuck I'm saying. On the swivels, got my 9 on me for shizzle. Block it hot, it might just sizzle. All that hoopla, what's the dizzle? Turn that boy to a McGriddle.
Alright, so this is what we're cooking with. As you can see, we got the brackets on there. Finna do the bottom. And check y'all back in.
I'm the one you can't be too. You know I'm stepping all on you. This world too small, my boss too big. If I get shot, I'm like, forget it. Just another tag. Like a iPhone 5 where he be at. No, we militant. Come through drilling shit. Like a nigga trying to fix some shit. Exorcist, too intelligent. Well, let nobody think that they better than. I knew that I was chosen. Falling on them like the roses. She want a face and can't show it. Like a let my heart froze over. All that cabbage, you a poser. Had me thinking you a soldier. I got older, I turned colder. Dealing with chips on my shoulders. In my life, I will like poker. Always the villain, call me Joker. I got older, I turned colder. Dealing with chips on my shoulders. Dealing my life, I will like poker. Always the villain, call me Joker. Always the villain, call me Joker. Creeping down the street, you get a face check. All that rah-rah, get a laser pointed where your face at. I be going crazy, sometimes I need me a straight jacket. Not in the box, then I'm a jacket. Catch him, then his clothes, cast his in his head back in the basket. You got dressed, now you buy that shit, start that capping. For your mama needs some napkins in